Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to use bucket tools. The bucket tools is a function that fills an area where the color is similar to the color of the start point. As example, I will create objects with these brush tools, okay, like this. Another I will change for the brush type into this file tip, create again at this point. Now, if you want to fill this color objects, you can use the bucket tools, click the bucket tools, and then you can click these icons to change the color. Like I will set into the blue color, and then you can click like inside in here to fill the color. You also can fill the outside color like in this objects, like I will change again color into red color, and then you can select to fill the color. Okay, in this blur object, you also can fill like this, or you can fill inside. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to use a bucket tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.